How to fix low FPS on League of Legends on Windows. 1. Remove and reinstall your game. Update League of Legends, later. Two. Run disk cleanup. Defragment your drive by 3. Turn off overclocking. 4. Try these game settings. 1. Change your visuals to low. 2. Decreasing resolutions, game textures. 3. Turning off VSync, then turn it back on. 5. 6. Close unused/unwanted background apps via Task Manager. 7. Disable all in-game sounds. 8. Check if your CPU or GPU is getting too hot. 9. Disable Discord overlay.